am Mushroom from the Software of the New World. Today's days, nobody can solve a Rubik's Cube, but some people can. And some people means the world and me. Yes, I can solve a Rubik's Cube. But if you want to see me solving a Rubik's Cube, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And if you want to see how I can solve, or you want a tutorial for this, please go and like and comment that you have subscribed, or I will not. And if there is 100 likes, I will of course do it. I will of course. So the video I saw for making it, for how to solve it, is the weird YouTube channel's video. So let me scramble it. And before that, let me tell you that I'm working on how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Okay? So I will again notify you when I get solved, and I will again do a video on it. So let's start. So I was just scrambling it, and let me promise you that I will of course try to do it under 2 minutes. Let's start. Okay, I've got this. Okay, nice time. Stop. 1 minute 43 seconds, 0.65 milliseconds. Told you under 2 minutes. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, bye. And 100 likes, and of course I'll do. And remember, don't forget to press the notification bell, or you will not get to know when I post these tutorials or more videos like this. Thank you. Bye. 1 minute 43 seconds, 65 minutes.